Using our tablet, we open a browser, enter online monitoring, find the vending machine we need, and click on Stock Taking. Then we click on Load and compare the online data with the goods which remain in the vending machine. It is crucial to check expiry dates. In this vending machine, we need to add the cell number 32 and remove the cell number 42. We pull out the shelf and remove goods from cells 31 and 33. We remove the spirals, turning them counterclockwise, and we remove the partition. We clean the shelf. In order to install the cell 32, we shift the motor of the cell 31 one step left. We install the motor of the cell 32 in the free space. We connect the plug to the motor. We put partitions between cells. We install spirals, turning them clockwise until we hear a click. We feed new goods in the cells. We check and set the spiral at the right angle. We stick the cell number and the price tag. We put new price tags on new goods. We remove goods from cells 41, 42 and 43. We remove the partitions and the spiral of the cell 42. We clean the shelf under the spirals. We disconnect the motor of the cell 42. We remove this motor and put a partition in its place. We adjust cell numbers and price tags in accordance with the new planogram. We shift the motor one step left. We feed new goods in the cells. We check and set the spiral at the right angle. We pull the shelf back in place. We take the tablet and change the planogram in online monitoring. We check that the old cells and price tags match the new ones. We press on Save. We confirm the change of the planogram by pressing on Yes. We press on Root. We make sure that online has successfully transferred the new planogram and that the machine has successfully received it. We check that the new price tags, cells and goods match the prices and names in the machine. We check the absence of the cell 42 in the planogram of the machine. We open the coffee pot and press on Test. We check that all the new goods are released correctly, that there is no double release or blocking of cells. We put the released goods back in place. We press on Operator. Pressing twice on button 8, we get into the snack menu. Pressing twice on button 6, we set the motors into their initial position. Pressing twice on button A, we get into the initial menu. Pressing twice on button 2, we get into the menu Errors. Pressing on 6, we enter the menu Errors. Pressing on 8, we get to the reset of errors. Pressing on 6, we reset errors. Pressing on A, we go back to the menu. Pressing on 2, we get to check for errors. Pressing on 6, we check for errors. Pressing several times on A, we quit the menu.